Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If it's your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys for your support. So guys, I want to apologize, okay? I have to take a break, a necessary one, not just ordinary break. Okay, so it has been like 1 month now. I have not posted a video, so I'm so sorry. Beyond my control, but I'm okay now. So guys, I decided to share this beautiful hairstyle with you, okay, with this beautiful color. I love the color so much. As you can see, my clients don't want me to show her face, so I have to respect that. So guys, just feel free and enjoy. It's just normal box braiding, traditional box braiding, not a not less. I believe you can like this style. At least for this summer now, you can rock this style. So guys, just feel free, okay? At the end of the video, if you like the video, if it's the kind of video you like to watch, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? Leave a comment on the comment section. Any suggestion, any hairstyle or any correction is highly welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe on the red button that says subscribe, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notification immediately. Okay, you can even share the video to your friends and families and well wishers. So guys, just keep on watching, relax, okay? I will see you later. Bye. my god, guys, look at that hair. Look at this beautiful color. So beautiful. So guys, I believe if you have watched up on this time, you have given the video a thumbs up, you have shared the video, you have leave a comment, and you have subscribed. Okay, I hope so. Even if you have not, please, it's not too late, you can still do it, so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notification. So guys, I will see you on my next